Looking for the best cordless picture light and seeing the same shiny photos everywhere. Same colors, same remote, same long-lasting battery claims. But which one actually stays bright, doesn't fall off your wall, and makes your art pop? Let's cut through the noise and find the real winners. Product number 1, EasyVALO 3-Pack RGB Light. First up, the EasyVALO 3-Pack at $28.30. What caught my eye was the 12 RGB colors and dual control remote or tap. If you want mood lighting that doubles as holiday decor or just love switching things up, this is worth a serious look. The 2000 mAh battery charges in 2.5 hours and uses 6 LED beads, which is more than most budget options. You get 3 color temps: warm, neutral, cool, and adjustable brightness from 10% to 100%. Plus, the timer function 15, 30, or 60 minutes is perfect if you don't want it running all night. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got multiple small frames like 4x6 or 8x10 photos, this pack lets you light them all without drilling holes or dealing with cords. The magnetic mount makes it easy to remove for charging, and the adhesive tapes give you a no-tools option. But I'll be real with you, some users say the adhesive isn't strong enough for heavier frames, and over time it might slip. Here's the thing though, if you're using it on lightweight prints or rotating seasonal art, it's totally fine. Just don't expect it to hold up a thick canvas. This is perfect for you if you want colorful, flexible lighting for small to medium frames and don't mind recharging every few days. Skip this one if you need something for large, heavy artwork or hate frequent charging. For under $30, it's a fun, functional starter pack. Product number 2, EasyVALO 16 Gold Light. Now, if the last one felt a bit small, this EasyVALO 16-inch gold model at $32.17 might be your sweet spot. It's sleek, modern, and built for full coverage. If you want a single light that actually spans your entire painting without dark edges, this is worth a serious look. That means you can leave it on overnight or through a dinner party without worry. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 90 degrees rotatable bar and CRI 90 ensure your artwork looks vibrant and true to life, not washed out. You get 3 color temps and 5 brightness levels, plus a remote with 4 timer settings and memory function, so it remembers your last setting. The magnetic mount is strong, and installation is clean with screws, no messy tape. But honestly, a few buyers mentioned the gold finish looks slightly brassy in person, not as rich as expected. Here's the thing though, it still complements most decor, especially in warm lighting. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, full-coverage light for medium to large frames and hate recharging daily. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need RGB colors. At $32, it's a solid step up in performance. Product number 3, LYTARA 5000 mAh Gold Light. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious art lovers. The LYTARA at $42.41 has a 5000 mAh battery, yes, bigger than the last one, and 70 high-quality LED beads for super even lighting. If you want museum-level brightness without the wires, this is worth a serious look. It runs about 10 hours continuous, charges via Type-C, and gives you 3 color temps and full dimming control. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The metal build feels premium, and the pivotable bracket lets you tweak the angle perfectly, no glare, no shadows. The IR remote works from across the room, and the timer function helps save battery. But I'll be real, some users said the remote needs direct line of sight, so if your couch is off to the side, it might not respond. Here's the thing though, once you set your preferred brightness and color, you won't need the remote often. This is perfect for you if you want durable, high-output lighting for galleries or statement pieces and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you want RGB or need ultra-compact size. For $42, it's built to last. Product number 4, EasyVALO 2-Pack Spotlights. Now, if the previous light was too wide, this next one takes a completely different approach, focused accent lighting. The EasyVALO 2-Pack Spotlights at $33.45 are tiny but mighty. If you want to highlight specific details, like a portrait's eyes or a plant next to your art, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can place them almost anywhere on shelves, near frames, or even on the floor thanks to the magnetic base and 3M tape. The remote includes timers and smooth dimming, and they're great for creating drama in small spaces. But honestly, a few people complain they're a bit bulky for tight spots. Here's the thing though, for accent lighting, that size actually helps with stability. This is perfect for you if you want flexible, directional lighting for multiple small items or layered displays. Skip this one if you need wide, even coverage across a large painting. At $33 for two, it's a smart buy for detail-oriented setups. Product number 5, EZVA LO16 Black Light. Finally, the EZVA LO16-inch black version at $38.60. If you love the gold model but want something more modern or minimalist, this is worth a serious look. It's nearly identical in specs: 4800 mAh battery, 80 LEDs, 3 color temps, 5 brightness levels, but in a sleek black finish. The remote has 4 timer options and memory function, and the magnetic mount makes charging easy. But I'll be real, some users said the black version shows fingerprints more than the gold. Here's the thing though, a quick wipe fixes it and it blends better in contemporary spaces. This is perfect for you if you want high-end performance in a subtle, modern design. Skip this one if you prefer bold finishes or need RGB. At $38, it's a premium pick for clean, professional lighting. So which one wins? For small frames and fun colors, go with the EZVA LO3 pack. Need full coverage? The 16-inch gold or black EZVA LO models are excellent. Want premium build and brightness? LYTARA delivers. And for accent lighting, the EZVA LO spotlights are unbeatable. Each has trade-offs, but all solve real problems. Just pick the one that fits your space and style.